open playgrounds and select see all in the bottom right hand corner. And we're gonna get a Xcode playground, and then we'll name it circle. Enter and open that playground. So first we're going to import Swift UI, and then we will also import playground support. That will help us show our preview so we can see the circle while we're building it. So firstly, we're going to declare a structure, and we're going to name it circle view, and it's going to be of the type view. Add our curly brackets, and inside of here we're going to declare a variable named body of type some view. Add our curly brackets, and in here we'll put the circle that we're going to build and initialize that. Now, outside of our structure that we just created, we're going to set up our preview. So playground page, the current playground page, to initialize a set live view property, and the live view is going to be of the circle view that we just created, and initialize that. Now Command R to run, and now we have our preview and we can see the circle. I'm going to be making a hollow circle, so back into our structure, underneath circle, I'm going to initialize a dot stroke property. Command R to see how that looks. Okay, that's nice, but it's not thick enough. So inside the parentheses, I'm going to add a line width property and change that to 50. Command R to see how that looks. It looks good, but it's outside of the preview. So back into the preview that we created, after the circle, I'm going to initialize a padding feature, and inside the parentheses, I'll specify how much I want the padding to be. I'm going to do 150. Command R to run. Great. Now back into our structure of the circle view. I'm going to add a color to the circle. So dot foreground color, and I'll change it to green. Enter. Command R, see how that looks. Excellent. And we can add a few other things. We'll add some text. Initialize that, and we'll use that to create a string literal. Command R. Now I want the circle to be, I want the text to be inside of the circle. So I'm going to embed all of this inside of a Z stack. Add the curly brackets, delete, and an easy trick to embed all of this in Z stack is hover over the bottom curly bracket, click and drag, and And that embeds everything inside of the Z stack. Command R to run. And now you have your circle with the specified width, the specified color, a text view on the inside of it, and our preview outside of the structure that we created. And that's how you make a circle in Swift Playgrounds.